How to change Netflix email address. Hi everyone, it's Sophia to assist you today without any delay. Let's jump right in. First, open Netflix web on your device. Then log into your account. After logging into your account, click on your profile located on top right corner of your screen. You will see all these options. Click on account. After clicking on account, you will find this kind of screen pop up. In membership and billing, click on change email, which is the first option. Then you'll find this kind of screen pop up. Add your current email, new email, and current password. And then click on save. After clicking on save, you're good to go. That's how you change Netflix email address. First, open Netflix web on your device. Then log into your account. After logging into your account, click on your profile located on